everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your phone if it's not charging. Now the first thing you want to look at is the charging port. So right here at the bottom, just look at this and make sure there's no debris in there or anything is in here, preventing the little connection pieces from charging your phone. So if there is, you're going to want to have to clean that out. Maybe you could try blowing in there with compressed air or even your mouth, but if there's anything stuck in there or any wires are bent, that's probably not a good sign. So you could try clean that and just give it a good blow and then just see if that works. Now, I'm assuming your phone is turned off. Now, you're going to have a bunch of these different wires at your house that kind of look like this and that, and you're going to want to try a couple different combinations of these wires and just see if there's anything that works, and just remove and throw away the ones that don't, I guess. So you might be running into that problem. So you can just plug this in on the bottom here. That's a good snap. And this one's from Google, I think, for my Google device. And then you're going to have a bunch of these little charger things at your house. Now you could try the Samsung one and see if this one works. Now when your phone is turned off and you have it plugged in the wall, after about 5 seconds, a little something will pop up on your screen that says charging. So you want to try to get that to pop up by using a bunch of different combinations of chargers and these wall adapters here. So here's a black one. Not sure what this is from whatsoever, but you could try something that isn't a fast charger like the Samsung one. So try a bunch of different combinations, try different outlets too, and then you do have the option to plug this in on like a computer or the back of a TV or something like that, and you could try charging that way. However, you're going to have to give this maybe like an hour to 2 hours of charging if you want to go ahead and make that work, because it takes a lot longer to charge from USB. But if your phone is turned off, charge it for at least 20 to 30 minutes before trying to turn it on. Otherwise, it's simply just not going to have enough battery to turn on. And then once you have this in, you could try a bunch of different combinations of the power button down, just hold this down, or the power button and volume up, and then try just tapping it quick with the button volume down, volume up, and just see if that gets it to turn on. So sometimes it can be stubborn and it doesn't want to turn on, and you can try tapping the power button like 10 times in a row, and then just hold it down on the 10th time, and that should turn it on, hopefully. Now, there are some settings in your phone. If your phone does have some battery, you can go down to battery here. And we could turn off things like fast charging. So here's charging settings. Try turning off fast charging as well. And then we could try turning on some of these battery protection modes. So we got battery protection mode. You could go to the maximum. So your battery will degrade after a certain amount of time. So this pretty much prevents that from happening. So you don't want to really charge it 100%, so it will drop it down to 95% once it gets up there. So I can just turn on maximum, and I think your battery will stop charging at 80%. So if you own like an electric vehicle or something like that, some of them it's really bad to charge to 100%. You don't want to do that very often, so you just charge at 80%. So just look at the charging settings here, turn off fast charging, and sometimes that is an issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.